If you're here, you probably have tinnitus and you're tired of vague advice and magic cure promises. I'm here to help. Here's what you'll get here. Step 1. Short, calm explainers, no hype, just real science and experience. Step 2. Practical tools like how to use AI like ChatGPT to build your own resets, reframes, and daily reminders. Step 3. My real updates. What's working, what's annoying, and how I handle spikes without panic or confusion. This is not about silence overnight. It's about training your brain to care less until it feels like silence, which is what real habituation is. So if you want clear help, not noise, subscribe and check out the next video. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, spikes are normal and your calm reaction is the real cure. Welcome to Quiet Access. Let's do this together.